guys, today my name is Jenny, and today I'm gonna show you what's inside my backpack or school backpack. Kinder 1 edition, Kinder 2. Well, I'm still 5 and I don't know why. Well, you've seen just one of my videos, so now I'll make it more. Wait, you saw 2, right? Oh yeah. Okay, so here's my backpack. Really nice. I really like it. So cool. So let's start with the first part. Well, so here I have my pencil case. Because you know, we need pencils and ball pens or something. Yeah. Well, I only need pencils. Magic pen. I don't know why I have a coloring pencil here. It's red. So I have 2. I have a lot of colors of things here. I even have a eraser. It's a cupcake. See that? See, it's a cupcake. It's a cupcake. Hey girl, stop doing that. So now I have my notebook. Kasi we need notebooks. I have red one. I have I got the white and the green one. Red and white and green. And then here also I have yellow notebook and my blue notebook. It's for Barbie. So yeah, I have my notebooks. Here I have I totally bring this to school. I will totally bring this when I draw. Well, not really draw. When I color or just draw in a bond paper. Well, there is a pencil though. Well, for my own, and they're not like using any pencils. Well, I'm gonna use some ball pen and a marker. Well, I'm not gonna bring this though. Okay. I'm not bringing this. Well, here I have a water, cause you know our canteen only has a water bottle like that, like this. Well, now I like to bring my own bottle, so I just bring this because at school I keep on being thirsty or something. Yeah, I've been thirsty in school, so yeah, I need this to have that. And here I have my paper. I have paper. And it's like grade 1. Grade 1, yeah. Here. It just ripped off. See? Grade 1. Lastly, here I have flashcards. Because at school you need flashcards. And I'm gonna read that there too. Now let's do the second part then. Well, this is definitely the last. And I have a watch. Whoa, these are a lot. You know what this? This is one of my favorites. How can my classmate boy Mark put this in my pencil case now in my bag? He put it inside my pencil case. Ooh, yummy. A lot of my favorite chocolate. No, I don't get it. It's mine. Give it back. Here I have my favorite chocolate. Ta-da! My favorite chocolate. And this is so yummy candy. I have this. Hey, stop getting. Here. I have this. This. And a lollipop. I love lollipops. It's even my favorite color. So, there's like no more in my bag. There's no more stuff in my bag. No more. No more.